If you are still managing projects in 2026 without PMP certification, you are working harder than you ought to. Right now, recruiters are filtering for PMP. Promotions are going to PMP holders, and brilliant managers are being overlooked, not because they lack experience, but because they lack certification. PMP is not just a certificate, it's global credibility. It means higher pay, more confidence in interviews, and ability to work in choice organizations and to speak the language of leadership. And here's the difference. This year, you won't be alone. I'm committed to walk this PMP journey with you, step by step, from understanding what projects are about to studying for the exam and passing the exam in flying colors. So if 2026 is the year you have chosen, you don't need to delay any further. It's time for growth, and it's time for you to be properly positioned for global opportunities. So stay with me as we embark on this PMP certification journey this year. My name is Sunday Yahaya, and I am a Project Management Institute certified project management professional. I help people attain their PMP certification as well. I'm here to help you walk this journey in 2026. Please like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us for more information. Thank you very much.